Assalamualaikum. I just cook and prepare foods for us with my husband. Wanna see? Okay. That's our food today. I mean tonight. I just gone fasting. Today is April 2. It's Thursday. Fasting day. I fast, so I make a salad and noodles with vegetables. And some here. Potato that I will not eat. I just put it there because I need to. It's turning rotten. It'll turn rotten in a few days if I didn't soak this with cold water. And this one, singkamas, I don't know what they called this in English, but it's delicious. So we're gonna eat. This salad is made of radish and some singkamas and acidic vinegar with some little vegetables. My husband just make it. My husband just done it. He prepared that. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Bye. It's a sauteed sardines with black beans and potato. Yummy. Good morning. We'll have a milk drink. Today it's 7:31 in the morning, and I'm already boiling water for this. Have a good day. Because my husband and I are hungry, I decided to cook this our spaghetti. Oh, this is just one of our stocks. My husband is too tired, and we're about counting the days. He just got a little bit Mm. Getting better, I mean. Cook it here because I'm afraid of losing my mini stove gas. It's a rice cooker, electric one. There. It's cheap. It's only worth 59 pesos and it serves 8 persons. My husband and I are really hungry by now. And it's a bit complicated because our stock is running out by now. And haven't earned money yet. And that's all, by the way. This is my this is my ground beef. I made it from the patty I bought. It's our main dish last night and this afternoon. So the patty I turn it to like this, like ground beef, you know. But I don't wash it. After it boils, I'm gonna put that on here inside there. So that's all. By the way, the date today is April 9 and it's 2:31 in the morning. No worries because we really can't sleep at night, so maybe soon gonna manage to change the routine of our sleeping, but not now. That's all. Bye. Hi, hello. And this is my Mia. I'm gonna eat my spaghetti with a rice. See? Because I'm so hungry. Enjoy eating. Oh, by the way, the leftover by maybe this lunch or afternoon. Okay, bye. Ang ulam namin ngayon ay tortang pansit canton. Ano mo nga? Pag ganyan. And this is the last one. are sweet and spicy. Pancit Canton. Hindi tuloy na i-spread ng maayos. One pieces. Thank you. Ay, ang date pala ngayon ay April 11 and it's Saturday in the morning. Pananghalian na namin yan. Kami kumain kahapon. Okay, bye.